Thank you. For today's function, present along with me for the Goa Startup Conclave Entrepreneur Summit, Antaprerna, the IT Minister, Srimati Jennifer Monserrat, congratulating for her initiatives for these programs, which leads the IT department. The Secretary IT, Mr. Sanjay Kumar, I think due to some reason he is not there. Vivek HP, the MD ITG, Srimati Ankita Anand, IT Director and CEO of Startup Promotion Cell. Sri Ajit Parwekar, Director GIM. Sri Jit V, CEO for the Mighty Startup Hub. Sri Chaitanya Vaishnav, Mission Director for the Atal Mission. Sri Charta Khattar for the Startup India. Sri Amitabh Banopadhyay, the National Startup Advisory Council. Ms. Swati Salgaonkar, Vice Chairman for the CII Goa. Mr. Milind Anvekar, the President for the GTA. Maria D'Souza, for the member for the GITP. The entrepreneurs from Goa and across the India. The members and media, my friends, the ladies and gentlemen, good morning. I would like to extend my heartiest congratulations for the Startup Promotion Cell, Goa and Department of Information Technology for organizing this Goa Startup Conclave and Entrepreneurship Summit, Antaprerna, in collaboration with the Incubation Center and Goa Institute of Management. It is overwhelming to see that the Government of India's representative of Startup India, the Department of the Promotion of Industries and Internal Trade, the Atal Innovation Mission, Niti Aayog, the Meti Startup, and CEOs of the 10 Atal Incubation Centers across the India are gracing this event with their presence. With immense pride, I can say that Goa is one of the first 4 states in India to implement the startup policy. We are in fact revising the startup policy very soon with lot of additional changes which will benefit for the upcoming startup. As of today, our IT department has certified the more than 100 startups in Goa. Goa is fast becoming the preferred base for the startup in India, and our vision is to see the featuring in the top 25 startups destination in Asia by 2025. I believe the startups needs an ecosystem created in order to foster the culture of ideation and innovations. We need to encourage the thinking from school and college level. We have already started implementing coding and robotic education from the school level. My government has subsidized the fees for all the degree and diploma technical education in government and aided colleges. This will ensure that no student will be left out from obtaining from the non-technical to the technical courses. I'm glad that, and we are also launching the Future Skill Training Program initiatives by NESCOM Goa in association with GTA. I strongly believe that such program will help our future generation to be the technology ready and more innovative. We need to integrate all the stakeholders and at all levels to boost the startup ecosystem in Goa. We will soon have the Bharat Broadband project implemented in Goa to ensure the very strong internet connectivity. The ease of doing the business for a startup is another area my department is actively working on it. Innovation and export-oriented growth for the startup is what I believe and we should try to achieve for Goa. The government of Goa is providing all the support in creating the vibrant startup ecosystem in state. With this national level event, the Antaprerna, the Goa's innovation ecosystem, infrastructure and presence of sector-focused incubators and accelerators is being highlighted. This event will be the great boost for the Goa's startup ecosystem. Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji also been motivating the Indian youth towards the entrepreneurships and startup. He said in his Independence Day speech, yesterday's startups are today's unicorns. And I'm glad that the Goa is the state where aligned with the Honorable Prime Minister's vision of building the better and vibrant startups ecosystem in India. Over the last few years, the many startups and tech companies have done very well, even in new technology domain like IoT, cryptocurrency, the blockchain, artificial intelligence, etc. The many startups have emerged during the pandemic, and this gives the confidence that no obstacle can stop Goa from being the Swayambhurna. These startups are standing on their feet and with the power of their unique ideas, moving ahead and working with the dreams of conquering the world. They are moving by the force of their unique ideas and the dreams of winning over the world. In this decade, and we need to relentlessly work towards making the India's startup and startup ecosystem the best in the whole world. The government of Goa stands with all might and with these startups. The government of Goa will explore the avenues whereby the startups can partner with the government and to improve the governance and accelerate the phase of delivery. This will create the symbiotic ecosystem. To achieve the motto of Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, the IT sector will play the major role. And we have recently launched the Know US scheme, the portal, wherein even the citizen can know the various schemes and benefits provided by the government by just sitting at his home. Especially in Goa, and we have no shortage of the skilled manpower in this sector. And the IT sector growth in the state will provide the sufficient opportunities so that my Goan youth in this sector are not forced to look for the opportunities outside the Goa. The priority of my government, the retain Goans in Goa. I call upon the established the businesses as well as the aspiring entrepreneurs to expand their horizon and embrace the new age of opportunities. अंतप्रेरणा म्हाका साथ घालता म्हज्या मनांतल्यान, म्हाका साथ घालता म्हज्या काळजांतल्यान, म्हाका साथ घालता म्हज्या तकलेंतल्यान. हांव उलो मारता म्हज्या समेस्त गोंयकार भाव आनी भयणींक. आयच्या ह्या अंतप्रेरणा कॉन्क्लेवांतल्यान म्हाका खरेंच दिसता जो तरणाटो गोंयांतलो जो गांवांत आसा तो आज व्हर्च्युअली म्हाका आयकता आनी निश्चितच हांव त्या गोंयकाराक साथ घालता. येयात म्हज्या बरोबर, येयात आमच्या IT डिपार्टमेंटा बरोबर. तुमकां उलो मारला भौमानिस्त माननीय पंतप्रधानान, तुमकां उलो मारला नव भारत निर्माण करपाक, तुमकां उलो मारला IT स्टार्टअपांत न्हय तर वेगवेगळ्या स्टार्टअपांतल्यान नवीन भारत घडोवपा खातीर. आनी निश्चितच म्हाका खोस आसा की अंतप्रेरणांतल्यान तुमकां सगळ्या जाणांक प्रेरणा मेळटली, तुमकां सगळ्या जाणांक जोश मेळटलो, तुमकां सगळ्या जाणांक नवी उमेद मेळटली, तुमकां सगळ्या जाणांक नवी दिशा दाखयतले हो नव भारत घडोवपा खातीर. हीच ती वेळ आसा. गोवा @60 आनी आझादी का अमृत महोत्सव आमी सगळे जाण मनयता आनी हीच ती रायट वेळ आसा म्हाका दिसता गोंयांत बदल घडोवपाची. वेगवेगळे प्रॉब्लेम्स आसतले. आमच्या बरोबर आसात GTA, आमच्या बरोबर आसात IT प्रोफेशनल्स, तुमच्या बरोबर आसा म्हजें सरकार आनी निश्चितच आमचे भौमानिस्त मंत्री आनी भौमानिस्त म्हणजे IT सेक्टरांत सगळे काम करपी सगळे जाण. हांव उलो मारतां आज IT सेक्टरांत काम करपी आनी नव्यान येवपी म्हजे नवे तरणाटे युवा मित्र आनी मैत्रिणी. प्रेरणा घेवची हातूंतल्यान की आमकां दिसता की वेगवेगळे स्टार्टअप्स गोंयांत सुरू जावपाक शकता आनी निश्चितच ताका हात दिवपाक जाय. तो म्हाका दिसता GIM आसात की तेंच्यांनी सुरू केल्लें हें नवें मिशन आसा. ह्या मिशनांतल्यान गांवांत आशिल्ले वेगवेगळे नवीन इनोवेटिव्स घडोवपी तरणाटे ह्या हातूंतल्यान निश्चितच सरकारा कडेन आकृश्ट जातले, IT कडेन आकृश्ट जातले. पूण हाज्याय फुडें वचून हांव म्हणटलों आत्मनिर्भर भारत आनी स्वयंपूर्ण गोंय हें सुरू जाल्लें मिशन आसा आनी स्वयंपूर्ण गोंय हे माझ्या लिमिटेड आशिल्ल्या फक्त एग्रीकल्चर, हॉर्टिकल्चर, डेरी कल्चर इतक्याच पुरते नासून सेकंड फेजींतल्यान हांव उलो मारता म्हज्या सगळ्या प्रोफेशनल भाव भयणीक हांव उलो मारता गोंय स्वयंपूर्ण करपा खातीर वेगवेगळ्या सॅक्टरांत गांवांनी सुरू जावचे स्टार्टअप सेल, गांवांतल्यान सुरू जावच्यो स्टार्टअप कंपनी आमची तयारी आसा तुमकां मदत करपाची आनी निश्चितच म्हाका दिसता ही अंतप्रेरणा हातूंतल्यान सगळे जाण प्रेरणा घेवन गोंयांत नव्यान क्रांती घडटली. गोंय आमी जे म्हणटा आमचें विजन आसा ही सद्याची आशिल्ली भारतांतली 34 स्टेट्स आसा. आमचो विजन आसा की एशिया खंडांतलें 2025 पयलें राज्य जावचें आनी निश्चितच तें जातलें हेजी हांव आशा बाळगितां आनी परत एकदां हांव तुमकां देव बरें करूं म्हणून म्हाजी 2 उतरां सोंपयतां. जय हिंद, जय गोमंतक.
Thank you, Dr. Pramod Sawant. We look forward to your continued dedication and support, and we know that with your blessings we will succeed. We hope that under your guidance, Goa becomes an innovation and entrepreneurial hub and makes India proud. Thank you so much, sir. Well, I'd now like to request Mrs. Ankita Anand to kindly hand over a small token of our appreciation to our beloved Chief Minister, Dr. Pramod Sawant. Well, ladies and gentlemen, GIM, or the Goa Institute of Management, requires no introduction. They have been a pioneer business school in India, and we are proud and happy to have with us right here. And they've supported the AIC GIM is what is bringing you Antaprerna today, is who is bringing you Antaprerna today. Ladies and gentlemen, to propose a vote of thanks, I'd like to invite Professor Ajit Parulekar, the Director of the Goa Institute of Management, to kindly come up on stage. Please give him a big round of applause.
Organizing a large event like this, where you have so many different players as part of it, requires the vision of few people, requires a slightly larger team of people to plan, and requires a huge force of motivated people to be able to implement, do a lot of hard work. And therefore, there are a lot of people that I have here to thank. First of all, from looking at the vision of this, it would have not been possible had we not had such a dynamic and supportive Chief Minister, Dr. Pramod Sawant ji. I remember, barely 6 months back when we inaugurated our AIC GIM. At that point in time, he said that, Goa has a lot of strengths in becoming the startup capital of the country. And he said, I'm committed towards doing this. And, that was the time I think he would have probably had already the conversation with the IT minister at that point in time, said, we'd like to do something like this. And we said, sir, it requires a lot of actors to come together. We are happy to be a part of this. So thank you so much, sir, for the vision. At that point in time itself, we also had a conversation with the IT minister, Ma'am Jennifer Montserrat ji. At that point in time, she also said that, whatever is the kind of support that is required, all of you here would know that we have a very progressive startup policy and a very progressive IT policy. So thank you, ma'am, also for the vision. There are a lot of people who are required to translate vision into a multitude of different activities that will run over a long period of time. And for this particular event, we have several people like that who've been instrumental in putting this event together. First, I would say the secretary, Shri Sanjay Kumar ji. Unfortunately, he was supposed to be here today in the morning. Due to some commitment last minute, he was not able to make it today. So thank you, Shri Sanjay Kumar ji. The managing director of the IT Corporation of Goa Limited, Shri Vivek HP ji. So thank you so much for helping us in the entire team in planning this event, planning today's all activities, the whole week, as well as the end event on the 3rd. We've had a lot of support from the director IT and the CEO of the Startup Promotion Cell. Madam Ankita Anandji. So thank you so much, ma'am. There are a lot of other people in each of their respective teams who made it possible for today's event to happen. The event, as we're seeing it, doesn't only have a lot of players from Goa. It's an event that's a national event. We have all the major agencies in the country who are committed, and all the major players who are committed towards startup, towards incubation. And we have a presence of, and a strong presence from most of those organizations. So thank you, Dr. Chintan Vaishnav, the Mission Director of Atal Innovation Mission, Niti Aayog. As you know, the AIC GIM is one of the first cohort, in the first cohort of 13 AICs across the country, and it was possible only because of the strong support that the AIM team from Niti has been able to give us. He's come with a strong team here to support this event, and you'll see them featured through the day in variety of different panel discussions. Shri Jitendra Vijayji, who is the CEO of Meeti Startup Hub. He's also here today, and they run several initiatives, and some of the initiatives benefit multiple other, not only AIC GIM, but they also benefit a lot of other startups in Goa. Shri Deepan Sahuji, who's from AICT, he's the Assistant Innovation Director at AICT. Shri Chahat Khattarji, who's from the Startup India Foundation, from the Startup India DPIT. Thank you so much, sir, for being here. There are multiple incubators in Goa who've benefited from, from your organization. Professor Amitabh Bandopadhyay, who's a professor from IIT Kanpur, and he's a member of the National Startup Advisory Council. Thank you so much, sir. Early today is when we get to benefit from his strong experience, and he'll be chairing one of the sessions. No startup ecosystem is complete unless and until we have all the actors present, and one of the most important part of this is investors. Shri Mahendra Pratap Singh ji and a lot of other investor organizations, we thank you so much for your presence here through this event, and for a continued support to help us build a very vibrant startup ecosystem in the state of Goa. To all our partnering incubators, Goa has a reasonably large number of incubators, and that's what makes this a vibrant ecosystem. Startups cannot function unless and until you have all of us collaborate together, and I think Goa is a good leading example where multiple different incubators are able to collaborate together. We have a panel discussion today where we have representatives from many of the leading incubation centers in Goa. So we thank you so much for being a part of this event and almost all the other events, whether the government has done Vibrant Goa, whatever event has been done in the state, there's been active participation by all the different incubators. The Goa Technology Association, the Goa IT Professionals Association, the CEOs of both these organizations, thank you so much for helping making this event to take off. We have CEOs from 10 different AICs across the country, and these CEOs are not here only today for today's function. It's also in this week we are also going to have a week whole of different segments of sectors of startups. And these AIC CEOs have helped in identifying and selecting from a very large pool of startups so that they'll be able to present here, as part of an event by Horses Stable. I thank Horses Stable and the CEO of Horses Stable. They are a team for being here because they've been able to bring in variety of different investors who are going to be here through this entire week, and you're going to have a lot of startups, many of them Goan startups too, and startups from all across the country who will get an opportunity to pitch, to these investors. Not only get an opportunity to pitch to the investors, this will be available on mass media, and therefore it will also go to variety of different people, across the country and across the world. The various event management teams and media promotion teams that have helped us, and Genie Solutions, one of our startups. So one important part of this event has been wherever it has been possible to have things being done by startups themselves. That's what the whole team has done. The team has made sure that wherever we had startups available in those spaces, those startups would be, would be the partners for doing all the logistics, for doing all the arrangements, media, promotion, all of that. So thank you, Genie Solutions, for making all the hospitality and logistics arrangements. Of course, no startup event is going to be a success without the most important player, startups themselves. So we thank all the startups. It's such a pleasure that on a Sunday morning to see a convention hall that is packed to the last seat almost, when you're just emerging out of post-pandemic. And that's, I think, because you have all the different players who've shown their commitment to be here and to be an active part of this. And these players have come from, variety of different parts of the country, of course, and from virtually every sector, in the state. I thank members of the press. Thank you so much. It's only your presence that makes it possible to take these initiatives from rooms like this to the entire state and to the entire world outside. So thank you so much. We thank the Taj that you gave us, the convention center, the entire staff here. You gave us the confidence that we would be able to organize immediately post, not really post-pandemic, but to be able to organize safely with all protocols in place an event with so many people present here. I must thank, of course, the CEO of AICGIM, Rajesh Joshi, who's been a driving force connecting all the dots in this entire, over the last 6 months to make this event possible, and a very dynamic young team that he leads. And I thank all the organization teams from AICGIM, from the Startup Promotion Cell, from the IT, the Information Technology Corporation of Goa Limited. And thank everyone, ladies and gentlemen, all of you who've been present here, and I've not been able to cover you as part of the different specific organizations. The fact that you're here on a Sunday morning, shows a lot of commitment towards the entire startup ecosystem. Thank you so much. And I'm sure you have a fantastic day. If you look at the agenda for the day, it's so power-packed with all different kinds of perspectives, whether it is investors, whether it is startups, whether it is policy makers, whether it is incubators. All of those people are present here, and they're present in large numbers and large different perspectives. So I hope all of you make the most of it. Thank you so much.